Alright, ladies and gentlemen, first installment of Nate's Haircuts. I'm going to try and cut my hair in about 15 minutes. I don't know why I want to rush this, but just to maybe encourage people, to show people that you can do this. I've been cutting my hair for maybe a couple of years now, but I will let you know, there were some mistakes along the way. But what I'm going to do is do like a fade, keep some of my hair on top, try and go at a bald fade along the sides here, and also go for a little goatee right here, if you know what I'm saying. So without further ado, let's get it. I want to go to high top fade or a gradual fade. I'm gonna like do something along the lines of a Mike Todd fade. Alright, here we go. Whoa! I'm gonna leave that back part for later. I'm gonna come back to it so I can approach it with a back mirror and get the full back rather than trying to guess what's back there. Now I'm gonna do the other side. So it's all about levels, you know. Meek Mill said it best when he said there's levels to this. Have your standard little mirror for the back. It's very similar to, at least I kind of think of it as how when ladies do their makeup, they give different shades of color to their makeup, but then and along their face at least, but then they have to blend it to make it look more artful. So basically what I did was create an all around place of low hair to where I will now begin to lower the hair all around. And what I mean by that is create lower shades right above this lowest shade that I've created. So I'm going to create another low shade and a lower shade and a lower shade up until it kind of blends or fades into my hair. Alright, so this is, my fault. I went without a guard at first, at the lowest state, not a high state. I went at the lowest state. So when I put it up high, this takes away more hair. When I put it down low, this takes away less hair. So I went with no guard. But so while this might go close to bald, it's going to leave a little bit of hair on there. So then I'm going to take the other guard. This is a half of a guard, not even a full guard. So I'm going to put that on, and then I'm going to put it to about halfway. And the reason why I'm doing that is so that way it can get somewhat close to what I left on my hair, my head at first. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and start to fade in, create another short line. This one is not going to be too big. Maybe you can't see the difference right now, but you will, my fans. Kind of doing the same thing on the other side, so you can't see. Alright, I'm going to do the back side. Alright, so
I'm going to move straight up to the one guard, which is a full guard. And on the one guard, I'm going to move it up to halfway. So basically, what I'm doing, what I recommend is as you make each line up on the fade, that you give it about a centimeter, or maybe even 3/4 of a centimeter of a cut. So it's like little touches along the lines, and eventually it's gonna round out to a nice fade. Of course, there's always finishing touches needed. So I'm gonna have this at half, and I'm hoping for the best with this one. Yeah, there you go.
So now that that's done, I'm gonna move it up to a 1.5. I'm gonna move it up close to above half. So like there's the full range of this thing. I'm gonna put it to half and move it up. Along the way, I'm trying my best to stay along the lines. I mean, here's the side. Doesn't look like it's too bad. I don't know. Hope you see. Boop, 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 boop. All right, here's the other side. I'm going back in with the half guard at halfway. In fact, I'm gonna move it down past halfway, and this is gonna be for those places that need some trimming down, but not too much. So I'm gonna go over lightly those places that need trimming down. Alright, I'm at the point where, you know how they say, don't, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I'm satisfied. What I'm gonna do next is go ahead and I'm going to trim down my beard and trim down my mustache at the lowest for the two. Probably need to make this like a 1. Here we go. I already starting to like the way I look, so I'm gonna go ahead and do down here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get the sides here. See how the sides blend out. It probably could be a little better, but I'm satisfied. Cleanup usually takes about maybe 5 to 10 minutes. But thanks for watching. If you're still here and watching, you are awesome.